Hi guys, I'm Jun. Today, I'm gonna show you how to authenticate identity in Korea. Korea has a high security system. Whenever you try to something on a Korean website or any mobile app, you have to verify your identity through your phone number. So, you must have a mobile phone number that can be used in Korea. This video introduces how to authenticate identity. When you authenticate identity, you are gonna face a screen like this. First, choose your carrier. But if you are MVMO plan user, you should choose this one and select company your MVMO is using. Next, there are two methods of authentication, using a text message or using an application called Pass. Let's find out about text messaging option. Enter your name on the ARC card, but you have to get rid of the spacing. The first 7 digits of your ARC number, your phone number, and input the given code. You will get a 6-digit code with text message. Enter the code. Actually, I recommend installing a Pass app. First, you don't have to enter personal information every time using the QR code or Pass app. Second, it is convenient when simple authentication is required, like logging to a website that print public document. If you install the Pass app, let's sign up. Enter your name on the ARC card, the first 7 digits of your ARC number, phone number, and agree to the term. You will get a 6-digit code with text message. Enter the code. Lastly, please enter the password to using the Pass app. If you are done signing up, you have to issue a certificate. Press this button, agree to the term, and authenticate by your phone number. This process is the most important. You need a bank account in Korea. Choose your bank and enter your bank account number. You will get a 3-digit code to your bank account. Enter the code. Finally, I recommend registering biocertification. Open the app, go to the rightmost tab, Setting, press the first button, and turn on the biocertification. Thank you so much for watching. If there is a topic you want to know, please leave a comment. See you next time.